Hey friends, if you encounter the error kdbsync.exe has stopped working on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update the drivers. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select advanced options in the right pane. Okay, and then you can select optional updates and install the updates from here. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and select system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the system. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is malware removal, so search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT. Okay, this will open the malware removal tool. Select next, select full scan, select next and let it fix the issue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.